Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will talk about margin property of CSS box model. If you watch this video till the end, then you will learn for what purpose margin property is used. Second, you will learn how to use margin property. First, let us see for what purpose margin property is used. In fact, margin property is used for adding white space around HTML elements. We can also use margin property for adding white space around boxes. As you can see in second paragraph, between the border of second paragraph and the edge of web browser, there is a lot of white space. That is because in second paragraph we have used margin property. But as you can see in paragraph, there is no space between the border of paragraph and edge of web browser. That is because in first paragraph, I didn't use any margin property. And finally, we can say that margin property is used for adding white space around HTML element. Now let us see how to use margin property. But before starting using margin property, let us create two paragraph elements. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to now let us create two paragraph. Now let us save the file and see we could create two paragraph or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, we could create two paragraph. Now by using border property, let us draw a line around this paragraph element. To use border property, we need to use CSS. To use CSS, we need to go to his section and use style tag. Now let us select paragraph by tag name. Now let us use border property, 2 pixel, solid, black, put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could draw a line around these two paragraph or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, we could draw a line around this paragraph. Now by using margin property, let us add some white space around second paragraph element. Let us select second paragraph element by its ID. Second paragraph does not have any ID, so let us create one. Let us set the value of ID attribute to P2. Now let us select second paragraph by its ID. Let us type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use margin property. Let us set the value of margin property to 50 pixel. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could add white space around second paragraph element or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, we could add white space around second paragraph element. Now if you want to add space only on right side or only on left side of HTML element, you can do it too. For that we need to use margin right or margin left property instead of margin. So let us use margin left property. Margin left 50 pixels. Now let us save the file and see how web browser adds white space around second paragraph element. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, by using margin left property, we could add white space only on left side of second paragraph element. If you want to add white space only on top of HTML element or only on bottom of HTML element, you can do it too. For that you need to use margin top or margin bottom property. Okay guys, this was the explanation of margin property. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.